got
So
it.
we have got this tripod outside. Let's test it. This is our tripod outside. Let's stretch it like this. So here are our three levels. This is our level 1, level 2, level 3. We are opening this like this. Automatically. This is called our first level. Again to stable like this. This is our first level. If you want second level, we have to open this next second one. And we can extend it like this. Lock it. This is our second level. Our last and final level is third level. As you can see, this is our this is our video. This is our level 3. This is the last and the final level, which the rod can be extended, and this is our adjusting knob, and we have to keep our camera here, and this is about rotating left right. This is the knob of adjusting the height, as you can see. So basically I would recommend it for beginners because it's very good, but actually it's not too good. Why? Because it moves a lot when the air blows, and whenever we are keeping camera, it's not stable in level 3. If you want stable, you can keep level 2, which is also very good for shooting stars, and you can keep time lapse videos also. As you can see, this is our tripod. Like this. We fold it like this also. So yeah, in Amazon it's actually available over 630 or 650 rupees. In discount you can get it around 500 rupees. As you can see the logo of Amazon. You can see. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, share and comment my video, because